Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Lamborghini Urus side view. First, let's establish the basic proportions. Start by drawing a long horizontal line to serve as the ground or base of your vehicle. Next, place two circles for the wheels, ensuring they are roughly 3½ inches apart. Finally, sketch a simple rectangular body shape that connects these two wheel circles, forming the main structure. Now, let's refine the iconic Urus silhouette. Carefully outline the distinctive sloping roofline, giving it that sporty SUV feel. Then, add the aggressive front and rear bumper shapes, paying attention to their angles and how they extend from the main body. Don't forget to connect the wheel arches smoothly to the main body, creating a seamless flow. It's time to bring out the finer details that make the Urus recognizable. Draw the side windows and the distinct door lines, ensuring they follow the vehicle's contours. Next, include the prominent side skirts and the sleek side mirrors. Finally, detail the wheels by adding spokes and even a hint of brake calipers, giving your drawing more depth and realism. To complete your Lamborghini Urus drawing, let's add some finishing touches. Apply shading to various parts of the vehicle to create depth and make it appear three-dimensional. Use darker lines for the main outlines and to emphasize shadows, giving your drawing a polished look. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. This will truly make your Urus pop off the page.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.